I'm recording now. Keep talking.
You're recording.
I'm recording. Oh yeah. So, but you were working on that display over there.
Yes, we're trying to test the display. This is the display that we are going to use at the show.
No?
So right now, it's just putting it in the office for.
But you got to do that side, right? That's you should.
You're not gonna film me doing it, right?
Yeah, no, yeah, you get that. You get that.
Okay, and I don't want people to see that.
What?
My I have a problems unscrewing the.
Well,
you don't know what you're doing.
Engineers and all. So all right. So we're here at Advanblack in California, in Pomona, which I've never been to before. Which I drove something Canyon Road on accident. Wild Live Canyon Road. It was. Okay. I needed the 4-wheel drive. That was fun. Okay. So I'm here with Chase and Jessica. Oh, I can't remember it. I remembered it's Jessica and Alan, the boss. And there's people hiding back in the corner. But this is some display stuff. We've been looking at parts and the inventory and the whatnot. And they play Harley Legos in the office here. They actually have the frame of a bagger, and they just kind of pull parts on and off, which is cool. We gave them some ideas while we were here.
So we're trying to show you how we mount the parts on the display.
I'm gonna do this now. I'm just gonna let you know what I'm doing. I'm gonna make fun of you as you're doing this display.
What do you want us to talk about?
We talk whatever you want to talk about. You're being filmed right now. I'm having fun watching the CEO try and put parts on a display right now. This is a blast.
This is a training session for employees, actually. Showing them how to actually do the display, and then, this is stuff that we're going to use at the shows. So, yeah, just showing the guys how to do it.
It's all the colors. I think the colors are cool.
Sure.
So you said 50% are black, though. Like 50% of parts are black.
Yeah, 50% of the customers actually have black bikes.
Yeah.
And that's quite interesting, huh?
I knew it was a lot. I knew it was 50%.
We have over 80 factory colors, and 50% of them are black.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Chase is pretending like he knows what he's doing.
I'm pretending, that's for sure. But
not very well.
We don't have the new 2021 colors yet. When we got this produced, everything. These are the standard colors,
okay.
Right? Those 2021 colors. Harley-Davidson, held their cards close, and they didn't show anything to anybody. Right? Yeah. They had that big launch in January, like the second or third week of January.
They showed like 2 colors.
It was like a virtual launch, right? And nobody knew anything that was coming out. Only if you followed real Harley-Davidson stores did you see.
That was the one that was like CVO is all they showed.
Right.
That was like all they showed was CVO.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get those new colors paletted, but we got all the new colors ready to go. Yeah, I think they released on March. I think sometime in March is when all the colors dropped.
So these are the tank extensions. I don't have these because I run a CVO seat, but if you have a Road Glide or a Street Glide with the stock seat, this is like comes painted. You don't even glue it, which I don't know if everyone realizes. So when you extend a tank, normally, did you know that they're glued on?
Right.
And these are snap-on so that you're not modifying your tank. You know what I mean? Like, so you can put this on, and if you run a stock Road Glide or Street Glide seat, the cutout's perfect and all that stuff. But doesn't fit my seat. That's a whole other thing.
3 bolts, 1 right here, 2 up here, both sides, and it's good, ready to go.
Do you have to pull the emblems off?
You don't have to.
You can put them on with the emblems on even.
Right, because this won't touch that edge. Yeah, this won't touch that edge. Plus, a lot of people choose to pull them off and either stamp them on here. New ones, put them on.
I was just curious because we have some good people out there that they don't know how to turn a screwdriver, admittedly, but they're starting to and they're trying to. And I think the idea that you could stretch the tank and not even have to pop the emblems off the old one.
Absolutely.
If you wanted to just get new ones and stick on, you could do that. That's cool.
The ease of this product is, I think, what really helps us and our customers.
That's that. And then let's see how long this takes.
I need a small hand, Tim. Maybe you can give me a help.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, my bear paw. We'll go in there just fine. Yeah, won't be a problem.
All right.
I'm gonna put a timestamp. I'll let you know how long it takes for the boss to put this together. So you had a great idea. We were talking about like stupid customers because we do some like. I'll talk smack. It's not my company. Anyway, so what do you hear a lot of from the... This is Chase, by the way. He's in sales and sells to the dealers. So Jessica and Chase, the Harley dealers buy from you. and other dealers buy from you. So tell the funny ones. We said a funny one earlier.
On a daily basis, people call and ask why their part isn't fitting. They never watch any of our YouTube videos, why written instructions don't come in a box. Written instructions suck. They're terrible. Yeah. We do videos, they're directional, they're close up and personal, and they call after the item does not fit for 1 second and say, why isn't this not working? I had to redirect them to the YouTube video, and every time they call me back and say thank you. You know, otherwise, you know, it's quite a bit of a hassle.
I agree that written instructions suck, because it's like put part 9 at junction B with sub, and I don't know what the hell it is. So you said earlier, like, he's going to be nice, I'm not going to be nice. So he's like, it's funny, your fender doesn't fit because it fits 17,000 other motorcycles this month.
Absolutely.
And I remember sometimes you tell them to do one thing and they don't like it, they try to call another person and try and get a different.
Oh, that's just human nature.
Right.
Yeah. So they talk to Chase, they don't like the answer, so they call Jessica.
So they call me.
And then you give them a different answer just to be a jerk to Chase.
She and I have already spoke.
Yeah.
You know, we sit really close to each other.
Yes.
Yeah, we're on the phone, just talking.
So he can't defend himself. How long did it take Alan to put those on?
Oh man.
It was hours. Actually, no. But no, it's seriously about the lowers, because my lowers on my Ultra are factory. I had never seen aftermarket lowers put on. It's 3 bolts.
Yeah.
Like it's real. That's almost quick release.
3 bolts. Yeah.
That's cool. I can't have them because mine has radiators. So I don't know. I never knew anything about aftermarket lowers. Those are really cool. No.
You can call us. We'll show you how to do it.
Let's go see all the stuff out there.
Let's go look.
Yeah. Steal some shit. What? They have stuff. It's great. I'm not. I think they thought I wanted a towel when we were walking through. I'm stealing a damn fender. They looked the wrong way. So look at all the inventory. Like look at. So this is all the stuff you've been moved from all over the world into California. They kept walking. But there's just fenders and tour pack mounts and I need one of them. I'm not happy with the ones I bought. I didn't know they made them. Stock bag liners, and I mean, like, it's all here. Tons of it. This is cool. It's fun to see all this stuff. People are trying to work, and here I am walking through the camera annoying people. It just keeps going. There's dudes all over the world right now salivating because somebody's looking for a 6.5-inch seat speaker pod in whatever color that is. That's cool. I could take so much shit. Like, although you guys already have all the stuff on my bike, but. Oh, okay. So you capitalize on my love of caps. Okay, we'll do that. I'm stealing towels and microfiber towels to clean the bike. Yeah, all right. Keep going that way. Don't worry about it. Don't pay attention to what I'm doing.
So we have some koozies.
Oh, they're made out of the liners? You're kidding me.
Yeah. So
how cool is that?
We made some.
It's like you think I drink a lot or something.
Bring to rallies to.
That's awesome. Oh, they're stamped even. So this is your giveaway rallies, an actual bag liner.
Yeah.
That's stamped. That's brilliant.
Yeah.
It's like you have marketing people or something.
Because, at the rally, people hold the soda can and stuff like that. So.
Is there anything like brand new you want to talk about? You said you're going to do. Is there any new stuff that's coming out, or you don't want to keep that quiet? On the down low.
We would keep that quiet.
Keep that quiet. Never mind. Never mind. So the fact that you're starting a whole new line of parts made for AMC Pacers.
Yeah, we do have. We do have a bunch of new products in the pipeline that we're trying to, keep it under the radar. Right
keep
now.
moving or die. That's all there is to it.
Yeah, and we want to surprise.
They don't even tell me. They won't tell me nothing. Not cool. Came all the way to California. They won't tell me nothing. All right. Cool. Okay. So I have robbed all that I can possibly rob. So this, I'm going to just go ahead and say what this is. I didn't know that they made this, but I took it. I peer pressure. This is a tour pack rack for a Softail. And it fits my 14 Heritage. And you can put, obviously it's the same mount as any tour pack. So you could put a Chopped or a Razor or a King or a the leather wrapped, whatever you want. It fits a Harley stock tour pack. So I'm I'm taking it. This is gonna happen. So
You have it.
so I'm gonna have this for the 14 Heritage, and then I don't know. Maybe I'll get a leather wrapped bag or something, tour pack for it. But so I don't know. They made that, and that's not on the site. That's brand new.
Exclusive for you.
So that's
No, actually, this is a prototype, so we're still testing it.
oh.
Yeah.
So yeah. So this is gonna be on the site soon, though.
Soon enough, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you'll be able to get if you want
We're supposed to test it, but now you have it, so you have to test
So now I have to test
it.
it.
You have to test it.
Oh, we're gonna test it. I'm gonna see how many 12 packs of beer I can put on that, and we'll ride around with it. So I'm gonna put that on the 14 Heritage because it already has the docking kit. But yeah, I'll come up with a leather wrapped tour pack for that. That'll be really cool.
Awesome.
And then I grabbed some stuff, and I mentioned that I don't like my Amazon brackets that hold my tour pack on, and so I'm stealing shit, you know. So there you go. I mean, thanks a ton, guys. This is a lot of fun.
Thank you for
Yeah,
coming.
no, it's a pleasure.
Really fun.
This is a blast, just hanging out. I can tell you that if you haven't been here, they have a good time here. We had a lot of, actually what we said we were going to do, and I don't stage videos, but I said that I was going to steal a bunch of shit and put it in the Jeep and then drive away flipping them off. And they thought that was funny, so I think that's good. But I obviously not going to do it. But anyway, thanks again, guys. Chase.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Alan.
pleasure.
Jessica left.
Oh, where's she?
She's working. We're screwing around. She's back there working. All right,
Oh,
so
we're happy to have you.
that was good seeing you. Good meeting you. Chase, good meeting you. Next time I'm in LA, I'll look you up too. And
Next time we're going over there.
come to Palm Beach. Come to Florida.
Out, right? Yeah, for the
We're
next
gonna be over
shows.
there.
Who's your dealer in Sturgis again? You said they aren't. You guys aren't going to physically be here, but it's
it's gonna
I
be-
put you on the spot. I'm sorry. I did that on video.
Red Influence Custom.
Bad Influence.
Yes.
Bad Influence is the Advanblack dealer's going to be at Sturgis.
So he's
So-
going to be at Sturgis.
He's going to be at the rally at Exit 55 at Black Hills Harley, so I'll see them. Just stop by, say hi. All right. So that's it. Take care of each other. We'll talk soon. Bye. So before I sign off, I wanted to put in some final thoughts on that visit to Advanblack. I got home crazy ass late Saturday night. It's now Monday. And I was just stitching together the video, and I was like, you know what? We had a lot of conversations off camera while we were there. And I don't work for Advanblack. I'm not an employee. I'm in no way compensated, et cetera, et cetera. So I thought I would just add some stuff that I know that they won't say because they are a business. That's an impressive team. You know, like, they are young and they work like dogs. I mean, they're there all the time. I'm getting messages from the boss in the middle of the night, questions, what do you think of this, that, and the other. They're actually asking questions for, you know, asking for opinions because it actually is going to direct, you know, where products go. And we did talk a lot off camera about the stuff they're working on, and it's big. I mean, Advanblack's already a major player in the, like, you know, dresser, full dresser market. See, I said it right. You know, bags and all that stuff. But they're doing other stuff in the near future, and it's going to change everything. Like, there's going to be a lot of new cool stuff. So I'm looking forward to that, you know. But there's an odd stop in the video. It's because Mrs. Monkey just opened the door, walked out, and said, hey, I wanted to talk to you about such and such. Why does she need to find me wherever I am to tell me whatever's in her head? She's going to kill me when she sees this video. Anyway, so just kudos to them. I think it's great. I think it's really interesting. I think that the fact that they're going into whole new lines and whole new stuff is really exciting, and they're just cool dudes. Like, to be, I was giving the boss there some crap going, do you know what I was doing when I was your age? Not this. I didn't own a globally sourced motorcycle parts company, but it was cool for a minute to feel like, you know, what they do for a living, because, you know, what I do for a living is really boring compared to designing, marketing, selling, and supporting the production of Harley parts. You know, that's pretty cool. Anyway, but that's it. They're great people. I'm a huge fan of them, and that's all. So I have a bunch of other stuff I shot in Los Angeles that I'll do videos of just driving around, and then you can choose to watch them or not, you know. But that's it. We'll talk real soon. Be good. Bye.